When you look at so many, influencers of today, they're not influencers.
No.
They're human billboards.
Yeah. It's like I'm not currently on telly, but I still sell. So I have to use that as an advantage and do things. But at the same time, I'm also in competition. Do you know what I mean? The money's terrible that it used to be.
But that's as well why it's so important to have, genuine interest, genuine passions, and businesses to get involved with, because, everyone looks at the kind of, whatever the number is, 100,000 followers, 500,000 followers, million followers, as the kind of, holy grail of the number to get to. But the problem is, and I was having a conversation with someone back in the shop about this today, that as every week goes on, there's more and more and more people who've got those million followers, couple of million followers, and I guess it's almost like supply and demand, and the importance of having that huge follower base is getting more and more diluted, because it's one thing when there's 6 people out there with 1 million followers, but when there's 1,000 people out there with 1 million followers, they're just a commodity.
It's 100%.
And when you look at so many influencers of today, they're not influencers.
No.
They're human billboards.
Yeah.
who are good for 12 months, 18 months.
Definitely, and that's it.